Hi guys, my name is Ranjit and you're watching TTSG, and today we are back with another video on the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. So let's get straight into the unboxing. So let's start by opening the box. The packaging is looking good, and here are the earphone itself. I'll put it aside and let's have a look at what else we get in the box. Here it says user guide and accessories. Let's open this side first, and looks like we get some extra silicone tips. Yeah, that's great. And now this is probably the OnePlus branded Type-C cable to charge your earphones. And let's look at this side now. It is probably paperwork. Paperwork it is. It has some instructions in multiple languages. The Never Settle logo is looking really cool. Now let's get to the earphones and take them out quickly and pair them with my phone. And tell you about its features and should or shouldn't you buy them for 2000 bucks. So first up is that when it has magnetic controls. When you open it, you just start the earphones. You don't need to press any button to turn it on, and here is the button to actually switch between two devices. Here are the volume rockers and a multifunction button. Now that everything is done, let's look at some of its features. And first up is that it has wrap charging. If you have the wrap charger that comes with the new OnePlus devices, then you can get 10 hours of backup with 10 minutes of charge. But to get it fully charged, it takes about 26 minutes. However, if you don't have the wrap charger, then with a 15 watt charger, that is a fast charger normally you have in your home, will take about 40 to 50 minutes to fully charge it. But with a normal charger, it may take up to 1.5 hours. But once fully charged, it will last about 20 hours, and in my testing it lasted about 18 hours, which is fair enough. It is water resistant, having a rating of IP55 if you want to get some more details. And next up is my favorite feature, that is the quick switch, and it lets you switch between two recently paired devices by just pressing the button twice. Then there is the low latency mode, which only works with OnePlus devices, which I don't have, and the company claims that it has just 110 milliseconds latency, which is quite good. But even with other devices, which I mean non-OnePlus devices, it claims to have about 150 ms, which is also good indeed. I played PUBG and did notice a little latency in the audio, which will be a problem for the heavy gamers, but will be unnoticeable to the casual gamers like me. Now let's get to the main point. How do they sound? The sound quality is just great, and the bass is decent. The sound gets really loud, and lastly, there are no connectivity issues whatsoever. You can easily distinguish between all the instruments while listening to music. These are perfectly balanced earphones, and I would consider it superior than any other headsets under 2K. I have been using this for my last 10 days and I found no connectivity issues. So my conclusion is that you should definitely consider buying these headset under 2K. It's just, I feel, the best under 2K. And now if you have any questions about these earphones, then ask me in the comment section. I will be glad to answer them. And lastly, do like, share and subscribe for more unboxings and informative tech videos. It's me Ranjit signing off, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care guys.